Hello, a beautiful day to you esteemed investors. This is your third eye Realtor multiplayer, and I'm here today to discuss your investment with you. Alright, so the next most important thing you want to do after locating a real estate consultant or realtor is to chart the survey of the property you're buying. Yes. So I'm going to be taking you through the steps and letting you know what and what you ought to look out for. Alright, so to chart the survey plan of the property you are buying is not negotiable at all. It's a task that must be done. But if you are buying from us, really, we do the charting ahead before we bring you the properties. We bring you verified and qualified properties. But it's good for you also to know the details. And that's the reason why I decided to bring you this information today. And I'm sure you have a good listening experience. So, but before we go on, let me remind you to kindly subscribe to this channel and turn on your notifications so that you can be prompted when next we upload another interesting video. Alright, so let's get to it. So, what exactly is a survey plan? A survey plan is a document. Okay, so your survey plan consists of precise coordinates such that anyone who has those coordinates with the right equipment can locate the exact place where your parcel of land is. Those are the kind of details you will find on the survey plan. You will also find the name of the owner of the property. Yes, you will also find the name of the professional, that's the surveyor who designed the survey plan. It is expected that the surveyor who designed the survey plan was the one who picked the coordinates and is sure of what details he has put on it, because he also appends his signature with his professional seal. Now, a surveyor is an individual who has been schooled in that field and also duly registered with the state government. So a surveyor is not accepted. The work of a surveyor or the advice of a surveyor is not accepted until they have evidence that they are certified by the government, and their seal is the proof of their certification. Alright, so that's that about survey plan. So survey plan is the life of the parcel of land or property you are buying into. Okay, so that's that about survey plan. So the survey plan is the true representation or the lifeline of the property you're buying. Alright, so but there are 5 important things that you need to look out for. When we say we are charting a property, what we are actually doing is that through the instrumentation of the survey, we are confirming or verifying the authenticity of the property, since the survey is the life of the property. What exactly does charting a survey do? There are 5 things that charting a survey will do for you. There are 5 verifications that you'll be able to do from just charting the survey. First on the list is the availability of the property. So you want to know, is the property free or under acquisition? When you say a property is free, it means it's available for purchase. When a property is under acquisition, it means it belongs to government or government has plans for it. So in the course of charting the survey in the right way, which is through the office of the Accountant General of the state, you can verify whether the property is under acquisition or free. Another verification that charting a survey plan will do for you is that it will show what purpose is this property or this parcel of land approved for. Now, there are different uses of land. A land, in the course of charting, since charting the property will tell you the true state of the property, charting will let you know what kind of title perfection you should be engaged in. Is it ratification? Is it governor's consent? Is it C of O? So when we say ratification, what we mean by ratification is in a situation whereby the property was approved for agricultural purpose. Now you want to buy it, but your intention is to build an estate or to use it for residential use. in order for you to be on the right side of the law, you will need to ratify such a property. So that process is called ratification. Okay, so charting will be informing you appropriately. The next thing that charting the survey of the property you intend to buy will do for you is that it will clarify the current purpose or future purpose of that location or the surrounding environment. For example, in the course of charting a parcel of land, you can get information that a government hospital is going to be built in that area. You can get information that there's going to be an airport in that area, you know. So that's what charting does for you. And lastly, number 5, what charting will do for you is it will help you confirm the exact status of the excision or gazette of that land. You know, because in the course of charting, you will need to verify the gazette number or the excision number. So with all these 5 points, you will agree with me that charting the survey of a property you intend to invest into is non-negotiable if you will invest correctly. So my purpose is to ensure that you invest correctly. And as I said earlier, any property we bring to you from the stables of DFT Property Pro has been charted and verified. Till I come your way again, this is your third Realtor. Ciao.